Let's make chicken fry today. With my KFC fusion recipe. First take 700 grams chicken. Add half tablespoon ginger garlic paste. 1 tablespoon vinegar or lemon juice. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Half teaspoon red chili powder. 2 tablespoon milk. 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Mix well. Then rest it for 30 minutes. Now coating part. Take half cup flour. Add salt to taste. Little black pepper powder. Mix well. Take 1 marinated chicken piece and coat it ups and down. Coat it very carefully. Brush out excess flour. Time for frying. You have to deep fry in high heat. Add the coated chicken pieces one by one. Be careful as the oil is highly heated. After 6 to 7 minutes, flip the pieces. Minutes later, again flip them. Only 6 to 7 minutes remaining. And ready! Time to have the tastiest chicken fry. Enjoy and subscribe for more easy recipes.